We are back along with Carson in our ongoing series, The New Normal. And this morning's focus is the return to the office.
Yeah, as COVID cases continue to fall, down more than 34% actually over the last 2 weeks to an average of 32,000 new infections every day. More companies are bringing workers back.
Yeah, that's right. From COVID to colds to stress, there's a lot you're going to need to know before you go back to your desk or your parking spot again.
Vicky Nguyen is NBC's senior consumer investigative correspondent, but of course she needs no introduction because she's on all 4 hours today. And also Dr. John Torres, our senior medical correspondent. Nice to see both of you. All right, let's talk about, so a lot of the schools don't have the mask requirements anymore. Offices are dropping them too. Anecdotally, 100% of Guthrie Feldman's got a cold the first week this happened. Colds are coming back with a vengeance. Is our immunity from everything kind of reduced because we were wearing masks?
Well, there's two different things. One's the immunity because we didn't get colds last year either as much. And so that's not there. So we're starting to see it more. And we're starting to take the masks off. But the one thing you do have to remember is the cold has the same virus as a coronavirus as COVID. It's just a little different virus. So you do get some protections from the things we've been exposed to recently, but not that much. We're also seeing flu creep up a little bit. And that's the concern as well. We don't think it's going to be as bad as years before, but it can still be bad.
All of these things combined make people feel, I think, anxious about going back to the office, Vicky. They don't want to get sick. And some people have other issues, too. What's advice for folks who are going back to work?
The reality is almost all of us will need to go back in person at some point if we haven't already. So there's some questions you want to ask yourself to put your mind at ease, really, frankly. Number one is, what is my health risk level? Look, if you are vaccinated, you're boosted, you're healthy, you're going to be fine at work. Don't be too overly worried about that. But think about who you live with as well. Are they very young? They can't get vaccinated. Are they very old and maybe the vaccine's not as effective? It's okay. Most places are making masks optional. If you feel more comfortable wearing a mask in your office or your workplace, do it. And also use the mitigation techniques we've learned over the past 2 years. Wash those hands, open windows, keep things ventilated. Those are all things that should give you comfort when you're at work.
Dr. John, what about this new variant, BA2? I mean, should that worry folks at all?
It shouldn't worry them. They should definitely understand what's going on there. And the BA2 is what we call a subvariant. So think about it like you just changed your shoes one day. Your suit's going to be a little bit different, but not much different. And so we know it might be a little more contagious, not any more dangerous. It seems to have the same protections with the vaccines and the medicines out there. So like Vicky said, though, if you're fully vaccinated, you're around other people that are fully vaccinated, people are wearing masks occasionally, shouldn't be a big issue.
Knowing that colds are coming back, my daughter actually had a pretty nasty cold the other day. It started with a cough. And I was thinking, I looked at Siri and I'm like, what is this? Is this COVID? Is this a cough? Can you tell?
It's really hard to tell because, again, they're the same virus. They're cousin viruses. So it's hard to tell with the symptoms. There are some unique symptoms to COVID, and we know those, you know, the loss of taste or smell. People talk about having a scratchy throat, which you typically don't have with a cold. But remember, we're in a pandemic. And so if you do get anything you think might be COVID, you need to be tested for COVID, rule it out, and then you can start thinking about the other things.
We've been talking about physical health, but there's a mental health aspect to this as well. For a lot of folks, they're not ready necessarily to come back to the office, Vicky. They might be worried about, have some anxiety about returning to the office.
I think the best way to address that is head on. Have a conversation with your HR or your boss about your concerns. And just remember, you can negotiate. You know, Monster.com says we are really in the driver's seat as employees because employers know we just went through the Great Resignation. People realigned their values about what they want to do at work. And so if you want more flexibility, if you want that hybrid schedule, if you're asking for more pay, schedule a formal meeting, raise those concerns and see what's possible for you.
Yeah, I think most places, though, requiring that people have vaccination before they go back to work. Is that part of the deal?
A recent Gallup poll only showed 25% of workplaces have a vaccine mandate. So 75%, it's a little bit of a Wild West. So it's going to be up to us to decide what we're comfortable with and our own vaccine protection.
By the way, you mentioned flu. Allergies right now, too. Like my allergies are...
And it's going to be hard to tell, again, with allergies as well. Unless you know your allergy symptoms and you have the same exact symptoms, go ahead and get tested for COVID just to make sure. And the other thing I tell people is when you go back to work, just dip your toe in the water. Do a day here, a day there, kind of like I'm doing. Just get used to it.
We say, come on in. The water's warm. We've been here for 2 years.
Come on. We've been waiting for you, Dr. John.
Thank you. Dr. John, glad to see you back in the office.
Glad to be here.
We'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.